Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to be sharing with you my soon-to-be 12-year-old daughter's birthday presents. I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because she's downstairs and I don't want her to hear me talking, but every single year for the girls' birthdays, Easter, and Christmas presents, I always share what we give them. I've done this ever since my oldest was, I don't know, 9 and she's almost 18. So there are tons of videos in this playlist. I have created all different gift ideas. So definitely check out my playlist. I'll link it for you in the description box. All of those videos are there and I know you'll get tons of great ideas for mostly the girls in your life. Not everything, but pretty much. I've got 2 girls, so it's a lot of girly stuff. But she is gonna be 12 in January, and so it's hard to believe. I remember specifically my oldest daughter's 12-year-old birthday video and I was sitting right there and I remember filming that one. I don't know why that one sticks out of my mind so much. So the fact that she's almost 18 and my youngest is almost 12 really blows my mind. But anyway, this year she's getting 4 gifts, which means my oldest will also get 4 gifts. I don't have a rhyme or reason to how many I give them. It really just depends on what I find, what I think they'll like, what they need. It is always hard because we just had Christmas and both girls have birthdays right after Christmas. My youngest is in January, my oldest is in February. So sometimes it can be hard to either save things that I wanted to give them for Christmas for their birthdays or find things to give them for their birthdays because I already gave them so much for Christmas. So, but I think I found just the right amount of things that she will want / need / use. So I thought I would share that with you in today's video. So given the fact that she is 12, most of the purses that she's had growing up have either been hand-me-downs from her sister or little kitty type purses that are like tiny or like plasticky looking or have a lot of characters on them or something like that. She wanted some more grown-up purses, but I still wanted them to be fun and youthful, but something that she could carry longer term if they last that long and she still likes them. So I picked things that I think are really somewhat timeless and will go with pretty much anything and will last her well into her teen years. So I got 2 different things. The first thing is this purse, which I think is super cute. Everything this year came from Amazon. I didn't unwrap the strap, but it's a gold chain, which I don't love that, but at least the top does have this black material, so you're not having a chain on your shoulder. I don't love the chain anyway, just style-wise, but a lot of them have that, and I thought the purse was so cute that I couldn't resist. So I love this little bow in the front, and you know, it's a decent size purse for really a lot of adults. I think could carry this, but especially for a 12-year-old. She doesn't have a phone, she's not taking a lot of stuff, so I think it's a good style, a good size, and something that she can carry long term if she wants to. So I thought it was super cute. So it's got this little extra spot here in the front, just the big compartment on the inside. There is a little pocket in there, and then of course you know, you have the strap. So I thought that was really cute. Also, kind of in that same theme, I got this, which I thought she might in particular like to take to church. I love this color. I actually bought it in 3 different colors. I bought it in this kind of dusty blue, I bought it in pink, and I bought it in black. But because I was giving her the black purse, I thought about giving her the black backpack, but I thought, you know, I wanted to give her something a little different. And I thought this was definitely still somewhat neutral. I hope it's coming up good on camera. It is blue, but it is a very gray, kind of a cloudy sky blue. With the gold accents. It's got a little bow here and this little tassel, but I thought this was a good timeless color for all seasons and also all ages, and it has so many compartments. I didn't take the straps out yet, but it does have a strap so you can carry it, you know, obviously like a backpack. It's got a zipper pouch back here. It's got little side pockets on the side. It's got a front section that just unsnaps like that. And obviously the big inner compartment. It's not huge, but I think it's definitely a big enough size. And I thought in particular for church, she might like to take it because it's big enough to fit her Bible and, you know, anything she might want to take to church. And I just thought it was super cute. So in that, I'm going to be putting this little makeup pouch. It's blue and it has little corgis on it. She loves corgis. So I thought that was super cute. I got that on Amazon as well. And so I'm actually going to the store after this and I'm gonna fill it with a few things, probably some lip gloss, a mint container thing, maybe some hand sanitizer, just to slip down inside the bag so that she can take that with her. And it was a little bit bigger than I was hoping it would be as far as like putting it in a purse, but it definitely fits in the backpack. So I think that'll be a cute little gift and hopefully something that will hold up for quite a while and something that she will want to carry even a few years down the road when she's, you know, 14, 15, maybe even 6, I don't know. A lot of teenagers, even young adults, wear these, so I'm not really sure how long she'll want to carry it, but I wanted it to be at least decent quality so it would last that long if she wanted to carry it that long. Something else she's really been wanting, and she watched the Lord of the Rings series for the first time this past year. I remember when my oldest daughter watched it for the first time and she was like obsessed, and it was like her first kind of grown-up movie, you know, and she loved it. And now she wants like all the stuff from the movie. So she's already got the Evan Star necklace. I know my oldest daughter went through this exact same thing. So she wanted the Evan Star necklace, so she got that for Christmas from my parents as one of her gifts. She also wanted the ring, which is super funny to me, but it comes on this chain. Obviously has the ring from the movie with the inscription on it. Kind of a silly, funny little thing, but my oldest daughter still has hers, and my youngest was like, can I have it? And she was like, no. So even though she never wears it or uses it or even looks at it, it's kind of a collector's item, and so my oldest daughter has one, my youngest daughter wanted one. So I got that for her. Just a fun little thing, and it came in this cute little box, so I can just wrap it like that. And the last thing that I got her, also her oldest sister has that she loves, and she wanted one, and it is this Star Galaxy projector. This is the exact same one that I got my oldest daughter. You would have seen it, I think it was maybe Christmas a few years ago, I can't remember, but it's still going strong. She loves hers, and my youngest wanted one, so even though she's already got a different projector, she wanted this one in particular because it puts the galaxy on the ceiling, and then you can also add the little green lasers and it makes like little stars. So I got that for her. I thought she would really enjoy having that one. So that is everything I got her for her birthday. Not a whole lot this year, kind of two purses sort of situation, which makes it a little bit more boring to share with you guys, but I think she will really enjoy that and have two things to kind of add to her collection as a younger teenager, to be able to have some of these things that are not so babyish anymore, that she really will be proud to carry and put all of her stuff in. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will link everything that I shared in the description box. I will also link my gift guide playlist. Like I said, tons of videos in that playlist that I've been doing for years and years and years now that I think will really be helpful to you. If you are looking for gift ideas for the girls in your life, definitely check out that playlist. If you liked today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you head out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.